Best home security systems of 2018. Number 5. Scout Security. Scout is simple to set up and comes with an intuitive mobile app. With a sleek and modern design, Scout is one of the best DIY home security systems to date. And it doesn't require any activation or installation fees. Although it is less expensive than other home security systems, it still performs exceptionally well for the price. Yet do not require contracts, which is a scarce feature among other home alarm systems on this list. You can build your own equipment Scout alarm package. There are 2 monitoring plans you can choose from. The first package is $9.99 a month and offers email notifications, a Scout mobile app with push notifications, 3G cellular with a battery backup, and text alerts. The second plan is $19.99 a month and offers all features of the first plan, in addition to 24/7 professional monitoring with UL certified monitoring centers that will dispatch the police on your behalf. Number 4. SimplySafe Home Security System. If you want as simple home security gets, SimplySafe is the one for you. SimplySafe, like its name implies, really is one simple system to get set up. SimplySafe is a hybrid of the old and the new, and no touchscreen to speak of. Even the app is painfully simple, with just 3 buttons that let you enable the alarm, home or away, or disable it. That's it. This industry is brimming with upstarts that are tacking on features to their systems left and right, almost as though they're trying to out-feature each other to the top. SimplySafe goes the other direction, instead opting to streamline every step of the process from setup to live monitoring in 15 minutes or less. This is a system that also has an element of physicality to it, thanks to the addition of the base station and included USB deactivation keychain. Everything here is straight and to the point. Number 3. LiveWatch Security System. LiveWatch makes it simple for you to protect your whole home from the comfort of your smartphone. One of the reasons LiveWatch made it to our top 5 is because it's an all-wireless system, which are more affordable than other home security monitoring services. LiveWatch provides less pricey monitoring services than other home security systems, yet charges more for the equipment. But, in the end, this trade-off is more cost-effective. There are 4 monitoring packages ranging from $19.95 to $49.95, and every package includes a connection to up to 40 detectors, sensors, and smart home appliances to tack on. LiveWatch is a leader in plug-and-play devices, and these devices offer both the ASAPR function and crash and smash protection. LiveWatch is rapidly gaining notability as a privately owned security system company. And there's no wonder why, when it offers all of these great features, which is why it made it onto our list of the best home security systems of 2018. Number 2. Protect America Home Security System. Protect America isn't necessarily the best choice for anything really, but what it does well, with an interesting pricing structure that's unique to this industry to back it up. See, unlike most home security solutions on this list, which may have some kind of activation fee or upfront cost for equipment attached to their overall price, Protect America adopts a more Netflixian model, where everything you need to get started is included right in the subscription cost. The company has 3 tiers of subscription, which all come with varying amounts of equipment depending on the size of your home. One catch is that of all the subscription models here, Protect America has the lengthiest contract to lock you into, 3 years minimum. Number 1. FrontPoint Security System Review. Why it's a top pick? An extremely simple setup process and stellar customer service set FrontPoint head and shoulders above the rest. Across the board, FrontPoint is our number 1 choice for the best home security system of 2018. Its smoke detector monitors a sharp rise in the temperature of the room and smoke associated with fires. Additionally, the FrontPoint system offers crash and smash protection, which means that even if someone breaks in and smashes the GE Simon XT control panel, the alarm won't stop working. Once the active sensor has been activated, the monitoring station is alerted. What makes FrontPoint really stand out from the competition is not only their excellent customer service and streamlined setup process that's been honed to a T. They have also perfected the art of blending a 100% wireless and cellular connection, which means that, regardless of if the landline is down, the system can still send a distress call to the authorities, making it one of the best wireless home security systems of 2018. And there you have it, Gadget Review's Top 5 Home Security Systems of 2018. Till next time.